Hi, this is Amanda. I'm looking awful, but I'm trying to get stuff done, so that's fine. I'm responding to this week's post about learning difficulties in school, and I would say that I don't have any learning difficulties. I've never had issues with learning per se. Always was able to get good grades. But as I've gotten older, I've realized I have a really tough time retaining information. And I know this is like obviously something that everyone struggles with, but I feel like if I don't use something immediately or implement it into my daily life, like it's just gone. And almost to the point where my husband will try and teach me something that's just not relevant to my everyday life, and I'm like, I love you and I do want to know it, I just won't remember it. Um, so it's interesting to me. Obviously, it's never impeded my ability to get good grades or to build on knowledge that I've had in the past, but it's more specific information. And even like reading this book about the theories and things, it's like, yeah, it's all there somewhere. I got a degree in psychology. It was 10 years ago. Haven't used it. Gone. And like I said, I know that's pretty typical. Otherwise, I don't know anyone personally that I grew up with that struggled with it. I mean, I now have family members with children with autism, and I've worked with kids a lot that have autism and Down syndrome. So I've definitely seen it. But I've never experienced it for myself, and I can imagine that would be a really frustrating thing and probably quite a bit of a snowball effect. As soon as you have difficulty understanding something, your self-esteem goes down, you think that you're a poor learner, and therefore you have more issues with learning and the desire to learn, which I would say I've experienced a bit for myself, um, but never to the detriment of schooling or getting good grades or getting to where I need to go. But yeah, definitely a challenge for those that do experience it. And that's why I'm joining this field, is I want to be able to help those people, help those individuals, and maybe be able to pinpoint those that don't know that they struggle or don't know the reason behind their struggle, and be able to identify them and support them in their learning to ensure their success. So, thank you.